What's going on, guys? Today I found the cheapest Glowberry Prime in the UK and I got it from a shop in Manchester. In this video, the boys are going to do a surprise taste test of Glowberry Prime. Make sure you keep watching because I'm going to tell you this shop where to find the cheapest Glowberry Prime in the UK.
What's up, guys? Today we are doing another mystery reveal. So then I'm just going to take this off. So I'm just going to take the front bit off first. So then you guys can see. So what is it? Comment down in the comments to see.
I could see it.
Now,
I can see what it is.
We're gonna look now.
Yeah, go like that.
Last time she's drinking.
You're going to try it out, guys?
Yeah,
Of course I am.
last time she's trying
Take
out,
that side out.
It tastes like sour apple.
I knew it. One of my friends told me that in school.
That's
Gonna take the next
Actually, it does taste like that. Doesn't it?
My turn.
It tastes like lemon and lime, but instead with more sweet taste.
Okay, Romeo's turn.
And it glows up the bottom.
Yeah, no, I can't wait just to put it in that.
What do you think, Roro?
God, what one of my friends called me, it tastes like Throttle Punch Star.
So how many points out of 10 would you give it, guys? How many out of 10?
Four.
I'll probably give it like an 11 out of 10 because I mean it. It tastes like lemon and lime boy instead with more sweeter taste, so it makes it taste even better, lemon and lime.
100 out of 10. I like it, and I like the bottle because it glows up in the dark.
Oh yeah, let's test it out. Turn off the light, Mum.
You can kind of see it, guys. Look at that. And look at the little faces.
It's actually glowing up in the dark.
Give it to
Do it,
mine.
do it to mine.
My turn. I can see my shadow while I'm over here. I can see my shadow.
I really.
We did actually post a picture of our review on Instagram and got a special message from Logan Paul's team at Prime, so big shout out to Logan Paul, KSI and the Prime team. So I got the drinks from a shop called Sweet Gibson Treats in Manchester and you can find them on Instagram. They're selling Glowberry Prime cheaper than any shops and any stores online, so make sure you check them out. What's up, guys? So we found the cheapest Prime in the UK and we're going to tell you exactly where it is. So we're at the Spa petrol station and that's where they're selling it, so let's go. It's cheap. It's they're selling 2 for £3, 2 primes for £3. What do you think? I think that's the cheapest in the UK, isn't it? So I'll get this one. This one.
Yeah, ice pop. Get ready for this.
Hold on. Say, guys.
And so as well, the brand new one too, ice pop can.
Let's get something else. What else have they got? Oh, flaming hot clubs, Cheetos. Should we get them? What else should we get? Let's have a look. I think that'll do. Yeah.